Right, this idea of similarity can also help us define volumes if we have similar shapes. So we've got two similar spheres have radii. Radii is plural for radius. 3r and 4r. This one's 3r, this is 4r, respectively. If the volume of the smaller sphere is 135 centimeters cubed, find the volume of the larger sphere. So, first let's consider two cubes with length 2 and 3 units respectively. So here's a cube which is 2 by 2 by 2, and here's another cube which is 3 by 3 by 3. Now the volume of this is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. The volume of this one is 3 times 3, which is 9, 3 nines, which is 27. So we have a length ratio of 2 to 3, but a volume ratio is 8 to 27. Pause the video and see if you can determine what is the relationship between the volume ratio and a length ratio for similar shapes. You should have come up that the volume ratio is the length ratio cubed. Note that 8 to 27 is the same as 2 cubed to 3 cubed. Also, if you're working backwards, if you want to find the length ratio from the volume ratio, then the length ratio will be the cube root of the volume ratio. Remember, the two shapes have to be similar for this to work. Right, so the volume ratio is the length ratio cubed. The length ratio in this case is 3r to 4r. Now r is in both, so it doesn't really matter, so we can just cancel it out and say that the length ratio is 3 to 4. Therefore the volume ratio in this case will be 3 cubed to 4 cubed. 3 cubed is 27, 4 cubed is 64. Now we are going from the smaller to the larger. So the volume of the larger sphere is given by V, and we're going from the larger, so we need 64 over 27, so this needs to be bigger than 1. So this is called the volume factor. So the volume factor is 64 over 27 times the volume of the smaller one, which is 135, and that gives me 320 centimeters cubed. Note, if you had the larger volume and you wanted to find the smaller volume, then that would be 27 over 64 times 320, which is 135 centimeters cubed. So going from this way round, you need to take the reciprocal of that fraction. So the scale factor here is bigger than 1, and the scale factor here has to be between 0 and 1. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find a volume given a length ratio of two similar shapes. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.